In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pricing table in GoDaddy. If you want a clean, professional way to show plans and features on your site, you can embed a pricing table using GoDaddy's editor and a ready-made widget. Start by opening your browser and going to your search engine. Type GoDaddy, open the official website, and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and open the menu under your username, then choose My Products. Find the website you want to work on and open its editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page and spot where you want the pricing table to appear. Add a new section by clicking the plus icon. In the Add Section panel, scroll to the Files and Web category, choose HTML, and select the option to embed custom code on the page. This creates a blank code area where we'll paste the pricing table. Next, open a new tab and go to ElfSight. Sign in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. In the dashboard, open Templates, then go to the e-commerce category. Use the search bar to look for pricing table. Browse the templates, pick the one that matches your style, and create the widget. In the setup screen, you can usually edit plan names, features, prices, currency, buttons, and colors to fit your brand. Take a moment here. Clear labels and concise feature lists make choices easier for visitors. When it looks right, click Copy Code to copy the Embed snippet. Switch back to your GoDaddy tab. In the Custom Code section you added, click into the code box and paste the snippet. After a few seconds, you should see a preview of the pricing table. If you don't, that's okay. Some previews take a moment, and ad blockers or script restrictions can delay loading. Make sure you pasted the entire code, and try refreshing the editor if needed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Place the table high enough on the page that visitors spot it without excessive scrolling. Keep your most popular plan visually highlighted in the widget settings, if that option exists. If you see provider branding, that's typically tied to the widget's plan level. And remember, changes you make in ElfSight can be updated later. You'll keep the same embed code. That's it. You've added a pricing table to your GoDaddy site by embedding custom HTML and using an ElfSight template. Thanks for watching, and enjoy presenting your plans with clarity and style.